Looking for the best drone for your kid but worried about safety and ease of use? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, HAKQ9S Drone. The HAKQ9S caught my eye immediately with its vibrant neon blue and green lights, priced at $59.10. If you want your kid to have an exciting flying experience while feeling safe, this is worth a serious look. The Q9S drone features bright LEDs that light up the sky, providing a vivid visual experience. With its altitude hold feature, your child can enjoy a stable flight without constant manual adjustments. This drone also comes with 2 batteries, doubling the fun time up to 20 minutes. With over 10,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear parents love this product. Now, some parents mention that the battery could drain quickly if the lights are always on. Here's the thing though, if you plan flying it during the day, the lights can be turned off to save battery life, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun toy that promotes outdoor activity and exploration. Skip this one if your kid is easily frustrated with technology, as they might need some time to get the hang of it and enjoy its features. For $59.10, you get a solid, kid-friendly drone that's built to last. Now, if the Q9S's battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more flight time. Product number 2, Beo QSZ Drone with 1080p camera. The Beo QSZ Mini Drone is a stylish black quadcopter priced at $51.40. If you want to capture fun moments while your child explores the skies, this drone offers some impressive features. This drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, allowing your child to take clear photos and videos during their flights. With a user-friendly design featuring one-key takeoff and landing, along with gravity control for easier handling, it's designed for a fun experience. Plus, it has 2 batteries providing up to 25 minutes of flight time. That's a great way to keep your kid entertained. Over 10,000 people have purchased this in the past month, reflecting its popularity. However, some users pointed out that the camera quality might not meet professional standards. Here's the thing, this drone is meant for fun and exploration, not professional photography, so it's excellent for kids who just want to enjoy flying. This one's great for kids ages 14 and up who are interested in photography and flying drones. Skip this if you're looking for a drone solely for high-quality video recording. At $51.40, it packs in a lot of fun for a reasonable price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who want more interactive features. Product number 3, Trajo 2025 Mini Drone. Next up is the Trajo 2025 Mini Drone, priced at $44.98, which instantly impressed me with its colorful LED lights. If you want to brighten up your kids' playtime with a fun flying experience, this drone is definitely worth considering. It features bright LED light strips that create a dazzling effect during flight, which kids absolutely love. The altitude hold function helps the drone hover steadily in the air, and the headless mode means your child won't have to worry about direction while flying. It also offers 360-degree flips and multiple speed settings, keeping it exciting. Made from durable ABS material, it can handle rough landings, perfect for new pilots. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's a hit among parents. Some users noted that the drone could be a bit tricky to control initially, especially for younger kids. But here's the thing, once they get accustomed to the controls, it becomes a lot more fun and manageable. This is perfect for kids aged 8-12 who want to learn the basics of flying without too much complexity. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features, as it's more about fun than high-tech flight. At $44.98, it offers a great balance of excitement and safety. Now, if you're looking for an even more user-friendly option, the next one might just be the easiest for kids to handle. Product number 4, ALTITACO809 Kids Drone. The ALTITACO809 is priced at just $32.12 and is designed specifically for young flyers. If you want something that's super easy for kids to use while still being fun, this one's a great choice. This drone allows for one-click takeoff and landing, making it incredibly user-friendly. It also has a headless mode, so kids can fly without worrying about orientation. The cool lighting effects and 3D flip feature are sure to captivate them during play. Plus, the durable build means it can withstand bumps and drops, which is essential for beginners. With over 6,000 sales recently, it's clear this drone is popular among families. Some parents found the battery life to be shorter than expected, lasting around 9 minutes. But honestly, at this price, it's an excellent entry-level drone that offers many fun features, making it a great starter option. This is perfect for younger kids around 6-8 years old who need a simple, safe, and fun drone to fly. Skip this if you want something with extended flight time or advanced features. For $32.12, you really can't beat the value. Now, if you're after a more feature-rich drone experience, the last option on our list packs in some impressive tech. Product number 5, ASFSFQ1080PHD Drone. Finally, we have the ASFSFQ1080PHD Drone, another fantastic choice at $51.40. If you want a drone with impressive features and camera capabilities for capturing memories, this one is for you. This mini drone features a 1080p camera that can capture stunning aerial shots, adjustable to 90 degrees for perfect framing. With 3-speed options and stable hovering capabilities, it's designed for easy flying, which is ideal for beginners. Plus, it has a battery life of up to 25 minutes with 2 batteries included, so the fun doesn't end quickly. This one has gained a lot of traction, selling 5,000 units recently. However, some users noted that the gesture control can be finicky at times. Here's the thing, as long as kids give it a bit of practice, they'll be able to master it and enjoy what it has to offer. This is perfect for kids who are a bit older and want to explore photography while flying a drone. Skip this if you're looking for a simple drone without camera features, as it's packed with tech. At $51.40, it's an excellent choice for budding aerial photographers. So to quickly recap, we have the HAKQ9S, which is great for vibrant fun, the Beo QSZ with its HD camera for capturing memories, the Trajo 2025 Mini for colorful excitement, the ALTITACO809 as an easy-to-use option, and the ASFSFQ1080PHD for more advanced features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Beo QSZ because it balances fun and creativity perfectly for kids. Avoid the ALTITACO809 if you're set on long flight times, as it has shorter battery life. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.